Northwest Alabama has an $88 million abandoned four-lane highway to nowhere. The I-22 connector project seeks completion of a true north-south four-lane highway for Northwest Alabama. Why is it needed? I-65, a north-south four-lane already overburdened, followed the basic route of Highway 31, also a four-lane still very much in use. Northeast Alabama has Highways 231 and 431. However, from I-65 to Tupelo, Mississippi, there is no north-south four-lane, with the exception of State Highway 157, Muscle Shoals to Coleman. The northern part of Highway 13, Florence to Spruce Pine, was completed in the early 60s. As early as 1956, plans were made to continue the four-lane through Winston County. The approved route would relieve traffic congestion in Phil Campbell, Bear Creek, Haleyville, and Delmer. Construction funds were approved in 1996. Following a public hearing in Phil Campbell, right-of-way was purchased and construction began on the first of three planned segments. The first construction process, called cut, grade, and drain, then three sets of bridges, one set over the Norfolk Southern Railway and two over Bear Creek Lake. Another public hearing was held in Haleyville for the section. AlDOT then purchased over 40 acres on Highway 195 to ensure it would be available for an intersection. The project was abandoned in 2014, leaving Northwest Alabama without a north-south four-lane connected to I-22. This highway directly affects over 250,000 people and thousands of businesses, industries, and jobs from Walker through Winston, Franklin, Colbert, and Lauderdale counties. Highway 13 is the economic lifeline for Northwest Alabama. 18 manufactured home plants are located in just three counties, Winston, Marion, and Franklin. Haleyville is in the geographical center and is the supply hub for these plants, providing materials, including lumber, from many of the 25 lumber companies in Haleyville. Over 23,000 vehicles move through Haleyville daily. Over 3,000 are 18-wheelers, all on a two-lane highway. Completion of the I-22 connector project will provide much better access to the industries, businesses, medical facilities, and recreational opportunities in Northwest Alabama.
It's vitally important for the growth. Anytime you can get highways in Alabama, I support it, and how important the I-22 connector would be from Haleyville. And I think this would be a great advantage to Northwest Alabama, and especially to the Shoals area.